Hey, what's up guys? Ness here, Rocksculptor. Another session of tips from the Stude. Today we're going to cover mix designs. More importantly, we're going to discuss a mix design that works well for a 5-gallon bucket. Okay, let's just jump right in. First, we're going to start off with getting yourself a 10-quart container like this here. All right, we're going to use this as our base measuring device. All right, basically, you're going to combine 11 quarts of sand, and we're going to be using the play sand here. 11 quarts, this is a 10 quart, fill it up, then add another quart. Very simple. Next ingredient, you're going to add Portland cement. That's going to round up to 7 quarts of Portland cement. All right, that's actually going to weigh 15 pounds, just to kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Why is that important? Because carbs is measured for the amount of Portland cement. All right, the carbs amount is going to be 1.5 quarts of carbs. That's going to be 2 pounds. And how we arrive at that math is typically you want to be in a range of 12 to 17% with carbs. 17% gets you a little more stickier, 12% stays in that safe zone of you're getting the best output of the carbs without degrading its qualities. All right, so 2 pounds works well for this. We're doing a wood grain on this sample board, so that sand to cement ratio works well for wood grain and some other various stone replications that require kind of a tight detail, such as slate and maybe some tighter stones, maybe a kind of a dense granite. So anyway, keep that in mind. Wanted to share that mix design with you guys. We're going to sign off. Please leave questions in the comments below. If you have any questions regarding this, we'd love to help you guys out. All right, guys, peace out. Catch you on the next one. Later.